Now the fun part. Take your flip-in extensions, put the fishing wire about where you made your little indent. Okay, holy hair! Wow! This is so cool. Well, hello everyone, Margeaux Jordan here. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome back if you are a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you're definitely gonna wanna hit the subscribe button. But let me convince you first, but I promise I post some fun stuff. And today's gonna be really fun because I am gonna be putting in, for the very first time, Halo flip-in hair extensions. So if you didn't notice, well, I don't know if you would or wouldn't, but I just got a haircut and my hair was probably down to like here. It was super long and super scraggly. The thing is though, is that I love having long hair, but my hair was dying and splitting. It looked like electric lightning bolts coming off my hair. It was like but anyway, so I got my hair cut finally, but I lost a lot of length. And even though she did a great job, I'm having a little bit of remorse because I miss my long hair. But fortunately, there is a company that has hooked me up with new flip-in Halo hair extensions. I am through the moon right now because I can have my long hair without having to actually have long hair, and I can have my healthy, shorter hair, which I want to introduce you to a new brand. This brand is called LilyHair, and they have been so sweet in correspondence with them. They have not only hair extensions, but they also offer wigs and hair toppers for anybody that is having some hair loss issues, or if they just want to try something different. So for me, I'm gonna try something different today. I have never done a halo or flip-in hair extension. I have seen all of these viral videos on social media, and they look like so much fun. It looks so easy, and I'm really excited because today I'm gonna try it, and we're gonna do it for the first time. LilyHair, I love their tagline, by the way. It says, "We live only to discover beauty. All else is a form of waiting." I love it. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh, it comes with a comb. Or a brush. I always get that wrong. Comb, brush. So it comes with a really adorable comb slash brush. I'm gonna call it brush. Oh, it feels good. 2-second break. Ah, so nice. So nice. Hey, talk about volume. Okay, I guess it's a voluminizing brush as well. Oh, I love this. So in a nice silky pink package, if you can tell the coloring. Again, LilyHair. I love how it's put together. And it's always fun how they package these, because when you use your hair extension and you want to put it away instead of just like throwing it into the drawer and the hair being everywhere, you have a nice little carrying case to package it in and take it with you anywhere you go. Let's get organized here. Oh, this is so fun. Blends right in with my table. Wow. Okay, so just looking at it from the beginning, my first thoughts are it is super soft. The hair is really soft, and this is a lot of hair. This is like the amount of hair on my head now. So that is crazy. It takes 30 seconds to apply. I mean, of course, for me, it might take me a little bit longer today because it's my first time, but it takes 30 seconds to apply because you literally just flip it in, tease out the top, and it's done. Another thing to mention is that this company sells 100% virgin hair. So that means that the hair has never been dyed. It is nice and full and voluminous. And then, of course, you know, once the virgin hair is cut, then they can dye it all the different colors so it'll match your hair. You get instant volume, instant length, and you don't have to grow out your hair if your hair doesn't really make it that long. I know, like for me, for example, my hair, you know, it's good to about here, but then after that, as soon as it gets longer, it starts to get scraggly and ugh. So therefore, having an extension like this that isn't gonna harm your hair is really, really important. Something else about the website is they have a ton of hair colors and options. They have the balayage, they have highlights, they have solids, they have everything from black, red, blonde, and in between. And so it's really cool because you will find a color that matches you. So just looking at this right now, I can already tell I am in the right color. You can't even tell that what is LilyHair and what is my hair. So that being said, shall we just do it already? My goodness, let's put it in. That's what he said. Now, something I didn't know prior is that the LilyHair Halo and Flip-In extensions is actually a 2-in-1. So not only are you getting the Halo and the Flip-In, but they're also clip-ins. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 4 clip-ins. So basically, if you don't want to use this wiring that it comes with and put it in your hair, you can take it out, it's all removable, and you can have just straight up clip-in extensions, which is awesome. So for me, it's like, you know, it's a no risk situation. You can use the clip-ins if it's something that you're comfortable with, or you can try the Halo, forget clipping it in, but you still have the clips just in case. Now, the clips come off. Like that, Velcro. That is amazing. That is so cool. And also to note, look how thin it is. It's a nice thin piece as well. This is so awesome. So you can remove the clips if you don't want to do a clip-in, and you can remove the wire if you don't want to do the wire. I love it. Check out the workmanship. Look how long it is. Look at the nice coloring, a little bit of some two-tone coming through to match my hair, because I have the little bits of blonde highlights that come through. I'm ready to put it on. Now, just so you know, if you want yourself a LilyHair Halo Flip-In extension or any of their extensions, you can get $30 off your entire order by using my code Jordan30. That is my last name, Jordan30, and you'll get $30 off. That is so much money. $30, that's like 29 things at the dollar store. Well, if I do the tax. No, maybe it's 28 things at the dollar store. I love the dollar store. Give this video a thumbs up if you love the dollar store. Oh gosh. All right, so things that I need to show you that were new to me when I got this is that it does have this fishing wire and these two sort of like bra strap type things that clip into the hair. So something that I did not realize though is that the bra straps that clip the wire can actually be moved. So there are slots that go around it all right here, and you can actually put it in any of these slots. So it could be here, it could be 2 in, and that way it's likely going to be less visible on this side, which is really cool. So I'm going to put it 2 slots in, and what you also have to do is measure this fishing wire, which I already did, and tie a knot for as far in as you need it to go. So when you're measuring it, before you cut the wire, people, don't cut it beforehand. You put the top on your head, and basically you want it to be maybe like 2 inches back, and you want the halo to be flush against the back of your head, like so. And then that way you'll have a nice firm fit. So, whoop. And again, because these bra straps are removable, in case if you kind of slip up on the knot that you tied, you can actually move the straps over to make an even better fit. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my wire. They give lots of extra wire just in case, and so I'm actually gonna cut it towards the bottom. All right, and so I guess I would keep this because if for some reason your other wire breaks, I don't know that it would, but you have an extra one just in case. Maybe that's why it's longer. Hey, smart thinking. Good job, LilyHair. My hair has been very gently brush with their adorable mermaid brush, by the way, that I absolutely love. And now what I have to do is put my hair up and out of my face. You're gonna take your comb, maybe your finger about 2 inches back, and you're gonna create like a halo around your head. How did I do? Not good at the end. Let's see if I can do better on this side. All right. This side looks a little better. Okay. So now take this, roll it, get it out of the way. Now the fun part. Take your flippant extensions, put a fishing wire about where you made your little indent, make it hug and press to there. Nice and sturdy, and watch the magic happen. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Look at that! Okay, holy hair! Wow! The flip-in is in, and as you can tell, we can see some stuff going on, so we're gonna actually tease and fix this. So what you wanna do now is pull out any hair that's hiding under there. Any hair, pull it out. Same with this side. If there's any hair buried underneath, pull it out. Cover over it. Check it out. Yes! You can't even tell! This is amazing! Oh my gosh. I know I keep looking this way because my monitor is over here, and so this is like my mirror, I guess. Amazing. And if you have any other hair that you want to pull out, just use your pick. This is so cool. You cannot see a thing. That's amazing. What I noticed is what looks best is if you just tease a little bit, tease it up a little bit. Now remember, if you want to get a flip-in halo extension or any other extensions from LilyHair, they are so sweet and so amazing, and the product is definitely good quality, soft and smooth, and it matches. You can get $30 off by using the code Jordan30. So JORDAN 30 and get $30 off. That's a free $30. Now remember guys, this is 100% virgin human hair, and it literally took me 30 seconds to put it in my hair, which is unbelievable. It's gonna last you 1 to 2 years because it is super high quality. Take care of it and give yourself some length. Have some fun. Like, I love that I was able to cut my hair and make it healthy again, get rid of all those split ends. And now it's so easy to get length, and I don't even have to grow my hair out. I don't need to get mane and tail shampoo or any of these like biotin lengthening, strengthening shampoos. I mean, they're good to have anyway, but I don't need to rush to get my hair to grow back to get the length that I used to have. Now you can do so many things. You can leave it straight like this, or you can curl it, do big voluminous beach waves. You can do anything you want. But for me today, I am going to attempt a braid because it's nice and long. I feel like Rapunzel, and I want to see how the hair all intertwines together. So let's do it. There is so much hair here, guys. I don't even know what to do with all this hair. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's do a nice, pretty braid. I'll leave these little things dangling. Maybe I'll pin them back, do something like that. So let's separate this mop into 3 And I want to make sure I have some of the extension in each clipping. So the lady, when I got my hair cut, I got quite a bit of layers, a lot of layers. And so braiding hair is, it's tough to keep all the layers in check because they just want to pop out and so here we go. Now I like to do a nice tight braid at first, and then after I tie it up, I pull out some pieces. I cannot believe how thick this is. So usually when I braid my hair, it's like little strings coming together. This is so crazy. Okay, so maybe this is the top. Let's stop it right here. Here, look at how thick. Look at how thick. Add a cute little scrunchie at the bottom, because I hate looking at hair ties. Adorable. Now I want to pin these bangs up. Let me get some bobby pins. I'm gonna little swirl right here. And bobby pin it. No, I think I'll leave this side down. And just like that, I have a massive braid that you can, if you want to make it look even thicker, you can kind of spread it out. And look at all this length. It's all the way down to like below the boob. Oh, and an FYI, when you are putting in the flip-in extension that you can't even see on my head, you can't even see it. I don't even know where it is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you see, I couldn't even find it just now to show you. When you are putting in the flip-in extension, you can actually do it another way by putting it on your hair first and then pulling it out. But for me, I found that way much more difficult. I had tried to film it and make it look good. It didn't look good because my hair it tangles really easily. So for me, it's better to separate the halo, clip it up, and then put the flip-in on and put the hair on top instead of pulling out all each piece and getting it all tangled and stuff. So I would suggest doing it my way, but there are other videos that show you how to do it the other way if it floats your boat. All right, guys, so that sums it up today. I have loved playing with my LilyHair flip-in halo hair extension. If you want it, all you gotta do is go to their website, check out all their huge variety of clip-ins and flip-in extensions, hair, you know, the toppers, and there's literally so many things. But whatever you get, use my code Jordan30 and get yourself $30 off. That is a huge discount. You're welcome. I'm so excited. Thank you, LilyHair, for sending me this. And stay blessed, stay healthy, stay safe. I love you.